Concept plants give you a lot of power to design the look or feel of a planting plan before you need to choose individual species. They let you plan for mixes of species, and in certain designs you might even want to keep some of the areas as mixes right into the construction phase. Let's have a look at the feature highlights of what you can do with the Concept Manager. From the docked palette, add plants by dragging and dropping them into your design group palette, or assign and add a bunch of plants all at once. Shrub area concept plants can contain any type of plant category in its palette, so it's great for a reforestation planting mix of trees, shrubs, and ground covers. Copy design groups to make alternative groupings of similar plants. This is perfect for fine-tuning a modular design to certain areas. Edit a design group to include a detail, a cost, and edit any symbol type. I'm planning on rendering in color in the future, so I'll set my symbol now. Place quickly by double-clicking the symbol in the Concept Manager, and use the keyboard commands to place it along an arc, line, or use the shotgun tools. Back in the Design Group palette, you can set a unique percent fill and spacing for each plant. This means that when you use Copy on that design group, the spacing and fill can be different for the same plant in different groups. You can also label your concept plants, and the label shows the palette plants and their individual quantities. This is great for mixes that you're using in your construction plans. You can run a full concept schedule, including concept plants in XREFs or including cost. Then, if you run a plant schedule from the Plant Manager, you can include concept plants by group or by plant. By group shows your mixes, and by plant will summarize the quantities as individual plants. Use this feature for putting together a final bid sheet where the same species is used in multiple mixes. Finally, at the end of the concept phase, you can transform plants into design plants when you're ready to define a certain species. Go wild and share on the community forum your examples of how you're using the concept plant tools to speed up your designs.